Hi guys, myself Manoj.M. Welcome back to the MANJULA.K Manoj.M YouTube channel. Guys, in this video I am going to discuss about how to transfer a message from PC to another PC through switch. In the last video, as we discussed on how to transfer a message from one PC to another PC directly. In this video, we are discussing about how to transfer a message from one PC to another PC through switch. Okay. Yeah, let's begin the video. Before that, if you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Let's open the Cisco packet tracer application. Guys, the application is opening. Guys, the Cisco packet tracer application got opened. Yeah, let's click on PC and press Control and click on PC. In this way, you can place two PCs continuously. Okay. Then click on network devices. Then you click on switches. Select this switch. Place here. Okay, guys, I will zoom this. Okay. Then click on connections. Then click on automatically choose connection type by pressing control. Connect from this to this and this to this. Yeah, finally the connection is done. Then click on this to remove this thing. Then click on this PC to assign the IP address, move to desktop and IP configuration. I am giving IP configuration as 10.0.0.1 for this PC. The subnet mask that will automatically take. Then come back to this. Then click on this PC. Same thing, move to desktop, IP configuration. Then press 10.0.0.2. If you press 1, it will not take. This address is already used in the network. That is telling that we can't use same IP address for different PCs. That's the thing that is going to tell to us. Yeah, let's type 10.0.0.2. The subnet mask it will automatically take. Let's verify once whether it's taken the IP address or not. Yeah, it's taken. Then click on this, verify this. Yeah, it's taken. Then click on message from this to this successful. Let's see how the simulation process work. Click on simulation, then click on this. From PC0 that will go to switch and to PC1, and from PC1 it moves to switch and then it moves to PC0. I hope you learned something from this video. If you like the video, hit the like button, and if you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you guys. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram.